Hello. Today is Wednesday, November 4th, the day after the election. We are in Module 7 of Unit 3. Let's see what we have to do for today. Let's go to Async. You have two activities for Async today. The first one is a fact and opinion. Look at this picture. Describe 3 facts and 2 opinions. And post. Remember to check for spelling and grammar. The next async activity is page 46 and 47 in your book. Okay, you'll do part A on page 46 and do part B, C, and D on page 47. Take a picture of your work and post it. That's it for async. Next activity is sync. In sync, so as you know, we did not have class yesterday, Tuesday, because of the elections. We will have class today, and we're just going to practice present perfect using for and since, and we will do a short lesson on because. Okay, and that's it. Good luck.